Hello friends, welcome back to Hobbies In. So today it's going to be Doraemon. It's such a cute cartoon character that I cannot help but love. I have drawn Doraemon a lot of times, but today I would be drawing it with you guys. So grab your art supplies and let's just draw Doraemon, our favorite, right? So what I am going to do first is to make the pencil sketch of the Doraemon. After getting done with the pencil sketch, I'm going to overdraw it with the black pen to give it a more defined shape. Then we'll fill in the colors and our Doraemon would be ready. And then we would just cut it out in the process. But you have to keep watching the video till the end because it's not just a simple Doraemon drawing video, it's a lot more than that. There is going to be a surprise towards the end where we will just add a bit of twist to this Doraemon. Let me give you a hint. We are going to clone this Doraemon in the upcoming minutes. So stay tuned. So the first Doraemon is complete and now we are going to cut it out. Be very careful with this portion because you do not want to cut off the hand or the feet of Doraemon. So now we will be doing the magic trick and convert this one Doraemon into its clones, and now we're having 3 Doraemons. And these are just dancing together. Right, left, straight, right, left, straight. Okay, now jokes apart, we are going to take these one by one and fold them. We're going to fold all 3 together. Next, we are going to take the glue and stick these 3 with each other like I'm doing in this video. Make sure to place them properly so they sit nicely and in perfect position with each other. So we are going to paste these 3 together, and if you want to put in some string, you can do that so that you can hang this later on. So here I am just taking a regular rubber band and placing it in the middle so that our Doraemon hanging would be ready. And then it's going to look something like this. Isn't it cute? I'm going to hang it in my car later. Until next time, bye bye.